So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop in CapCut. So for example, we have a video in CapCut which we would like to crop to a different ratio. So first you click on the video, then you go to this ratio corner here and you just choose the ratio which you would like to apply. So if you want to use any kind of short format, you're going to choose the 9:16 ratio, and here you obviously have these black canvas because the video was shot in a different ratio, and now we're gonna fit the canvas with the video. So you either drag the corners or you just go to video, basic, and scale. Okay, so we're gonna drag the corners until we've fit the canvas, or if you don't want to fit the whole canvas because the girls are not visible, for example. So for some reason right now for me it's not available, but you can go to video, basic, and here in the bottom it should be saying canvas, and if you just check in the canvas and choose blur, then the canvas is gonna be blurred. For some reason sometimes it doesn't show for me. I'm not sure about this thing or this bug of CapCut. Alright, so all in all, this is how to crop in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.